Hey there, financial savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money matters in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling how to cancel your Axis Bank credit card in 2025. Whether you're looking to simplify your finances, avoid high interest rates, or just switch to a better card, canceling can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. Let's dive right in. First things first, before you cancel, make sure you've checked your account status. Log into your Axis Bank mobile app or website and review any outstanding balances, pending transactions, or rewards you might forfeit. It's crucial to pay off any dues to avoid extra fees or credit score hits. Remember, in 2025, Axis Bank might have updated policies, so always double-check the latest terms. Step 1. Gather your details. You'll need your credit card number, registered mobile number, and possibly some identification for verification. This ensures a smooth process and prevents any hiccups. Step 2. Contact Axis Bank's customer service. The easiest way is through their toll-free number. Dial 1-860-419-8585, or use the chat feature in the app. Politely explain that you want to cancel your card, and they'll guide you through the process. If you prefer digital options, head to the Axis Bank website, log in, and look for the Card Services section where you might find a cancellation request form. Step 3. Confirm the cancellation. Once you're on the line or filling out the form, provide all required information. The representative will verify your identity and ask for confirmation. Be prepared for questions about why you're canceling. It helps them improve, but you don't have to share if you're uncomfortable. After that, follow up. Axis Bank will send a confirmation via email or SMS, but it's smart to check your account a few days later to ensure the card is deactivated and no charges are pending. Oh, and a quick tip. Watch out for any early closure fees, which could be around 100 rupees minus 500 depending on your card type, so confirm that upfront. There you have it. That's how you cancel your Axis Bank credit card in 2025. By following these steps, you'll handle it like a pro and keep your finances in check. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.